Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to reset your settings on One UI operating system. First, you want to go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click General Management. Now, here we can find the Reset button. It will ask us before if we want to make a backup, but if you scroll down further, we can see the Reset All Settings option. We click it. It will ask us once again if we want to reset settings. It will ask us once again if we want to reset all settings, and we will click Reset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.